How to buy a REBA token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and it increased by 800% in less than 4 hours. As you can see, this token trending number 11 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your fund to wait for that. After that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and here will you be able to see how much you receive. As you can see with that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter. As you can see, click on apply. Now go back and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a REBA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.